Judishana, underline. Shagala has made a slight change. Bhujage, in a serpent, Rajudhishana, you see it's a rope. If you see a rope as misunderstood as a serpent, there is not much trouble. But if a serpent is going, you suddenly realize, Ayya, Bhagavan ka kripa dekho. I wanted a rope and I don't know where I can get it. There you are, rope. And you run after the rope. And the serpent is confused. Why this fellow is coming after me? Bhujage Rajudishana. Why is it so? Lack of discrimination. You are not paused to think. You are thinking of something else. The railway station, we have to go there and this luggage is to be bound. I don't know where I can get a rope. You are thinking of that only, and therefore they saw a rope. Bhujage Rajudishana. Tado anarthavrataha. Naturally, when you are running after a living, innocent snake and try to pull it, the consequence is anartha vrata, a gushing stream of sorrows, anartha, calamities, that you will be bitten by it and then you have to go. Nipatati samadhaduradhika is a terrible amount of calamitous sorrows come one after another by this misconception. And we often say that in the world. I don't know what happened to me. At that time I thought that. Now wisdom has come. I should not have done it. I don't know. What happened at that time? Now I can discriminate and judge that what I did was wrong. Then at that time, I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what that means. You are telling the truth. I don't know. I don't know. Knowing equipment was not functioning. I was veiled. My own discrimination was not available for me. Tadoyo asadgraha, therefore, asadgraha, to accept the asat, the non-existent things. Sahi bhavadi bandha shrunu sakhe. My dear friend, Shankara is coming down. He's not sitting on a big pedestal as Guru, Mahaguru, but he comes to you, throws his hand around your shoulders, try to light up your beedi. You know that friendliness, I mean. Cha piyenge kya? Hey, Sakhe, my pal, my friend, oh buddy, you please understand, this is called the bandhani. What? To hold on to that which is not real. To misunderstand a serpent to be a rope, terrible troubles will come. No blessings can come from it. It's only sorrows. Thus to hold on to the BMI as me is the beginning of disaster. And hence all life, autobiography of everybody is a calamitous sorrow.